how to log on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you log in with your Instagram account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Instagram application. Alright, so after you open the application, you'll go such interface. So now from here to log in with your account, you must have an Instagram account. So if you have not Instagram account, you can go with the option create a new account. So right now I'm logging with my ID. So from here on this login page option, you'll have to give your username, email or phone number, and then after that you'll have to give your password here. So simply after you complete from here, you'll have to just tap on this login option. Alright, so as you can see, I have successfully logged in with my Instagram account. So from there, you can easily log in with your account using your username and password. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.